talking about that.
Silverberry Mouhon with the score.
That he hit as Silverberry Mouhon.
Mouhon coming up with the big sack.
For the tackle, great recognition by the Mac linebacker Silverberry Mouhon.
The one, the only, Silverberry Mouhon. I have never enjoyed saying a name as much as I say that one, and he's given me a lot of reasons to say his name.
I gotta play my rear view, I pull in the parking spot. Cause where I'm from, all the young down in the parking lot. Get 10 seconds on the news, they barely talk about us. You gotta watch the way you move, they make it talk about you. The Reaper coming, gotta keep it on me. I told my mama I won't leave her lonely. Too much drama, get these demons off me. We still at war, I got that thing in on. What happened? It's what my mama told me when they called me with a ratchet. Rather see me in the cell than see me in the casket. I show love to all my fans cause I fell through all this rapping, whoa. I got homies that die young and I miss them, tell the truth. I feel like I let them down and that's word to Lil Snoop. I put diamonds in your face and when they see me, they see you. Know they'll kill me in my hood, but I just keep on coming through. Still with it, the graveyard throwing a party for all of real niggas. They invited me, but shit, I got a meal ticket. And everybody won't make it out, we gotta deal with it. As I walk through the valley of the shadows of death, I did some things that I had to regret. I say some things I can never forget. The Reaper took my homie's soul, feel like he had to me next. Oh Lord, I just wanna ball 100 songs. Seen too many of my dogs going under. How I made it out alive, sometimes I wonder. Cause we been going to war since Contra. Grew up around the monsters that shoot you in your face. Ain't used to showing no love because we grew up in that hate. Live by the sword, die by the sword way. Try to make it home, they shot him in the hallway. Tears on my face, feel like I be crying blood. Mom won't see her son again, we call that blind love. I can't trust these there, get you lined up. Try to rob me, got smoke for him, rolling his times up. You gon' be a killer or homicide. Make your mama shed a tear before my mama cry. Was young and great, but they still smoked them at the waffle spot. Only God could judge me when I clutch and let that chopper rock. Foolish. I wrote this in blood, this some of my realest. They say if he rich as why he moving so militant? Cause in my hood it ain't no love and I know what I'm dealing with. As I walk through the valley of the shadows of death, I did some things that I had to regret. I say some things I can never forget. The Reaper took my homie's soul, feel like he had to me next. Oh Lord, I just wanna ball 100 songs. Seen too many of my dogs going under. How I made it out alive, sometimes I wonder. Cause we been going to war since Contra.
Hey, the Blizzy game finals on Saks Avenue. Hey, we ballin' all day. Shopping spree.